first of all, of course, I'm drawing myself in my own style, and yeah, it's the simplified one. As usual, I sketch everything and then I start doing the outline, and then I'll start coloring. Yeah. By the way, this is not a tutorial video, and I'm just doing a challenge. A challenge requested by one of my subscribers. She's very supportive. And I'm doing this for you guys and her specifically. And now the coloring process. I choose purple because I love purple like so much. By the way, I'm using IB's Paint X app to draw this. It's free and I love it so much because you know it has a lot of functions, brushes, and still it's free. Yeah. Then add some shadows and it's finished. Yay! The second art style is Jujutsu Kaisen. I use Nobara if you know her, but that girl is Nobara. I use her as the reference, and yeah. it's me as a Nobara. The third style is Adventure Time. I believe most of I don't know, but I think a lot of people know this cartoon. Yeah, it really is famous. Yeah. Doing this challenge brings back memory. You know, these are the cartoons that I watched when I was still younger. I mean, when I was younger, and it was very fun. I'm just wondering, don't you all like miss your childhood? It was like, growing up is very challenging, and if you can just stay as a kid, you can easily laugh at at any jokes, and yeah, it really is fun. But growing up is still something good. And the third style now finished. Okay, the fourth style is the Powerpuff Girls. They are so cute, and just for your information, it's very hard to draw their head. It's too round. So I use the tools to make the round shape. Yeah, I can't just depend on my hand. I'm not that gifted to draw a rounded shape. Yep. this cute girl is finished. And the fifth style is the Gravity Falls. Yep, it's also a popular cartoon, I believe. Almost there. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. By the way, thank you so much. It's no YT for your challenge is so fun.